Hello everyone and welcome to my story club show. Dear friends, the title of today's story is Positive Thinking, and I assure you that when you will listen the whole story that definitely it will bring change in your thinking. Definitely your thinking will become positive. Dear friends, the already I told you the title of the story is Positive Thinking, and in this story the hero is a Jerry. Jerry is an young man. He is 25 years old and he is working in a hotel as a manager. And this guy is always in a good mood. He has never bad mood. This guy is always happy, and if somebody has problem, and when that fellow goes to Jerry, at that time Jerry tells him the positive side of that problem. And that's why there are many waiters in the hotel in which he is a manager. Waiters always follow him. Why? Because of his attitude, because of his thinking. His thinking was positive thinking. His attitude was positive attitude. And whenever a problem comes into his life, at that time he doesn't become the victim of that problem, and he chooses the good thing of that problem, or he chooses positive side of that problem. And when the writer went to Jerry, and writer asked Jerry how is it possible for Jerry to be happy all the time, or how he keeps positive thinking all the time. And according to writer, it is not possible for anybody or for any person to be happy always or all the time. To be happy, it is not possible for anybody, because there are many problems in our life, and though our thinking is positive thinking, but due to problems for some time we become negative or we become sad. But this Jerry, he was always in a good mood. He never had a bad mood. Then writer went to this Jerry and he asked Jerry, how is it possible to you to be always in a good mood? Then Jerry answered to the writer. He said, when I get up in the morning, at that time I ask two questions to myself, and I say that there are two choices in front of me. First choice is to be good or to be happy, and second choice is to be sad. First choice is to be in a good mood, and second choice is to be in a bad mood. Whether today I have to be in a good mood or I have to be in a bad mood, it is in my hand. And he said, I choose first choice. Early in the morning, I decide that today I have to be in a good mood, and then I am in good mood all the day. Though some problem takes place in my life, I don't become the victim of that problem. I try to find out the good side of that problem. I look at the problem as an opportunity. And this was the attitude of Jerry, of looking at life. His thinking was positive thinking, and writer left that business, hoteling business, and he went far away from Jerry. Now he was not in touch with Jerry, or he was not in contact with Jerry, but he would always think about about the positive thinking of Jerry, and he also was making choice to be in a good mood or to be in a bad mood. If we also wake up early in the morning and ask ourselves that there are two choices in front of us, to be in a good mood or to be in a bad mood, and if we will choose every day to be in a good mood, then our life also will become happy. And after some days, it means after some years, writer came to know about Jerry, that one day Jerry had kept the back door of his hotel open, and from the back door three thieves entered into his hotel, and they put a gun on the head of Jerry, and they took keys of, of safe from him. They opened the safe and they took out all the money. And while taking out money, Jerry tried to oppose them, and so they shot Jerry. They fired bullet at Jerry, and Jerry fell down. But luckily, waiters took Jerry to hospital quickly, and there surgery took place on Jerry. And now Jerry was cured. So after 6 months, writer came to meet Jerry and he asked Jerry, "How are you?" And Jerry said that, "I am fine now and I am trying to be more fine in life." Then he asked about the incident of theft which took place in his hotel. And he said, "What was your mindset when the thieves arrived in your hotel?" He said, "First of all, I thought that I should have closed the backside door. And when they shot at me, they fired bullet at me. At that time, I thought that there are two choices in front of me. To be alive, first choice was to be alive, and second choice was to die. And I chose the first choice, to be alive." And he said, when waiters took me in the hospital, at that time, when I was in operation theatre, and doctors came there, and when doctors looked at me, they thought that I am dead, or they were thinking that they cannot save me because many bullets were fired into my body, and they were thinking that they cannot save me. At that time, I became nervous. But at that time, I thought that I should do action. And when the nurse came to me and she asked me, "Are you allergic to something? Do you have allergy of anything?" And doctors were listening for my reply. And I said, "Yes." I shouted loudly and I said, "Yes, I am allergic to bullets. I am allergic to bullets. Take out bullets from my body." And doctors laughed at this. And when doctors laughed at this, then I told doctors, "Dear sir, I am not a dead person. Don't look at me as a dead person. I am alive. And you do surgery on me as I am alive, not as a dead." And I told them that there are two choices in front of me. First one is to be alive and second one is to die. And I told them I have chosen first choice, to be alive, and so I want to live life. And I told them, "Don't worry about me, I will not die. You do the surgery." And doctors did surgery upon me. They took out bullets from my body, but yet there are some fragments of bullets inside my body. Yet there are small pieces of bullets inside my body, and now I am okay. And when writer heard this from Jerry, at that time he also came to know the importance of attitude. In life, there are choices in front of us, whether to be happy in life or whether to be unhappy in life. Yes, there are problems in everybody's life, but to look at the problems with positive thinking or to look at the problems with negative thinking, that is in our hand. Everything is in our hand, and everything is attitude. Nothing. Everything is attitude. And if we have positive attitude, then definitely it will make difference in our life. So, my dear friends, the moral of the story is that we should have positive thinking. Always be positive. Always try to think positively. And from today onwards, we have to do one thing. When we wake up early in the morning, at that time, there are two choices in front of us. The first one is to be in a good mood, and the second one is to be in a bad mood. And we have to choose the first choice. We have to be in good mood all the day. And if during the day some problem occurs in our life, at that time we have to look at the positive side of that problem. We don't have to look at the negative side of that problem. This is the moral of the story. My dear friends, if you want to live life happily, if you want to be successful in life, then you should have positive thinking. That's it. My dear friends, if you like this video, please like it, comment on it, share it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe it. Thanks a lot.